Welcome to Palco Projects. My name is Palco and this is my E36 coupe. If you have one laying around, now is the time to start your project. Because it's getting rare, it's getting pricey, but all the parts are still available. This is my project and I'm gonna take you along with me. So let's check what we're working with. We have no front. We have no engine, a lot of junk in the trunk, and also we have a pretty repair job. As with every project, you first start to take it all apart. The bonnet and the fenders are off. I cleaned my garage so I have more space around it, and it's cold. It's a nice weather, but it's cold, so I have to took my jacket off. It's time to jack up the car. Quick tip. If you don't know the condition of your body and how much rust it has and if it's rotten, then jacking it up under your diff and under your front subframe is the most safest that you can do. So when you're working on a crap car, be prepared to get some crap in your eyes, so put some goggles on. Nothing. 16. I really hope I remembered that right. Even with the goggles on, you get crap in your eyes. So far, so good. Damn, that's tight. Woo. Not anymore. Yeah, the post. Oh. And boy, it came loose. Oops, now I have crap in my ear.
It's a long bolt. Did I?
The whole subframe, rear subframe is out. I didn't film everything because it was a lot of back and forth and some little bits, so I don't want to camera. But if you want to drop your whole subframe from your E36 or E46, then there are 4 main bolts holding up the subframe and your differential and all the bits around it. Then you have 3 bolts holding your rear track arm. Also on the other side you have your springs in here, and then you have your shocks, those little 2 bolts. And then don't forget your brake lines and your handbrake cables. I cut them because I will need to put some new ones on, and I don't want to use the cable brakes. And now that it's out, let's go to the front one. Well, that was a hustle, but it's out. The front end, subframe, suspension, it's all out, and I'm happy that it's out. And that's it for episode number 1. I hope I inspired you to begin your own project, and I hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you in the next one.